在这里呢，要隆重欢迎大家来到 Legacy Racing Team 车队出征 GT 亚洲锦标赛揭幕仪式，再给你们一个热烈掌声，感谢大家今天的到来。
Sometime last year, a small idea came into being. Today it has grown into the reason we are here. Welcome to the launch and signing ceremony of Legacy Racing Team.
Asia in general needed a stable GT racing platform, and we had the ingredients. We have the best racing tracks, the best sporting environment, which creates stability.
This is an exclusive sponsorship that allows IGH and GLT to create competitive differentiation.
今天主要就是我们 GLC 跟 IBH 投资银行成为 Legacy Race Team 主要赛车赞助商的一个推介礼和签约仪式活动。
We have invited a professional racer from Malaysia, our Prince of Drift, Tengku Jen, and the girl drifter, Leona Chin.
I think today is a very memorable moment.
Wow, thanks to our sponsors, thanks to the Legacy Racing Team.
Because it's always been a dream to drive in the GT.
This is in the history books. We're going to go GT racing this year with a full-fledged Malaysian team. I'm very proud of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, teamwork makes dream work. 团结就是力量。All right, let's count together from 3, 2, 1.
For the first Malaysian full-force team to participate in this GT3. I have high hope. No worry, no stress. Do our best, alright? And we will make the victory together.
Together we're gonna make it to the victory. Big applause once again to the Legacy Racing Team.